What is up, YouTube? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install a font on your computer. And you can use these fonts in whatever software allows, fonts to be used that aren't just built into the app. So this will work in OBS Studio. That's what I'm going to be showing you on, but it'll work on any application that allows fonts to be used outside of just the app. So just keep that in mind. Now, the website that we're going to be getting it from is called DaFont. So let's take a look over there real quick. All right, so now that we're on DaFont, the website, as you can see, they have a ton of different things you can choose from: cartoon, comic, groovy. You can just do whatever you want. It doesn't matter. You can choose comic. You can do a lot of stuff right here. Okay, so the choice is yours. If you want to spend the time, you can. You can go through all of these bad boys. They got a ton of pages. Like, let's click on 34. Like 34 pages just in the comic section. Then you can go back 24 pages in the freaking groovy section. Like this website is crazy. Like, I love it so much that you can even like tailor it to match the holidays that's going on. Halloween, you can do all that stuff. It doesn't matter. Christmas, you don't have to celebrate holidays, but if you do, you can actually just make your videos or streams look a little bit more festive just by changing your fonts instead of using just the bland fonts. If you like those, that's cool too, but this gives you options. You can change it up to not look like everybody else. So I've already found the one that I want to use. This one is called Batman Forever. So what you want to do, as soon as you download the zip file, you want to extract it. And then once you extract it, you want to double click on it. Once you double click on it, it's going to say install. Now, when you install it, that's going to install it. It's not hard. It's super easy. And then once you install it, then you can use it in all the other softwares that you choose. Let's just see right here. I have one down here typed up blah. Now, as you can see, I can type in whatever I want. What am I typing? I can't even see my keyboard where my hands is. I can type in whatever I want. I can change the colors and all that stuff to be how I like it. And there you have it. It's in the font that I chose. Now, if you don't know how to add another text, or if you don't know how to add text period, you just hit the plus down here and then you go to text and then you just type in whatever. I normally type the name of the text. So if I'm going to type in hello, I'll just usually type hello right there. And then I'll just type in whatever I'm going to say. Hello, how are you? And then just come down here and change the font. You just got to go to the name that it is, and I skipped it there. And then as you can see, it changes it. It's going to be white, but you can change it to whatever color you want, like I showed you here. But yeah, just a quick video just to show you guys and gals how to add a new font to your videos when you're using OBS and whatever other software will allow you to change the font with fonts you've downloaded. So with that being said, that's about it. There's no more to the video. You can just try to download as many as you want. A few, it doesn't matter. The choice is yours. If the video helped you out, please slam the like button. It really helps out the channel a lot.